Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I have another colorful look. I know it's like, who am I? It's like, I don't even recognize myself. But to be honest, I just wanted to welcome spring with the makeup tutorial, and I thought about doing a yellow kind of winged liner, but really it's really simple. Just add a little bit of color, but it's really simple, not like my other tutorials. It's gonna be the same format as my last video, so it's really gonna be a talk through, voice over, and that is all. And yeah, so let's just get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes. I'm taking whatever concealer I had on hand. So I think it was a Fit Me concealer. You can use whatever you have. It's no problem. So next I'm going to take some tape and I'm going to put some tape on the outer corner of my eyes just to have a sharp edge as usual. So the first palette we're going to use is the Topaz Obsession palette by Huda Beauty. I'm going to use my big blending brush by Sephora, and I'm going to use that orangey color from the palette. This is just a way of like setting the concealer, the primer, whatever you have, just so it's not too tacky on the eyes. So you just want to blend it mostly in the crease just to add a little bit of color and a bit all over the lid. So next what we're going to do is I'm going to take my Better Skin Concealer by Maybelline. I'm going to take a flat shadow brush and I'm going to cut my crease. This part I edited as small as possible so I can show you guys, because this part is really important. So what you want to do is cut your crease. I cut my crease wherever my eyes fold, and you want to bring it all the way out along to the tape, and so it creates that kind of wing liner. And then after, you can take like a liner brush and just line the outer just so it's like really smooth and really straight, just for more precision. So again, I'm just cutting my crease as usual, and take your time, because if this part you don't make it well, then after that it's not gonna work. So bring it out and then take a small liner brush just to make it more precise, just like that. So the first palette, after that I use my Sephora Pro palette, and I use that yellow shade. I think the name is ochre, I don't know. And then I use my smudger brush just because it's really opaque and it really packs on the color. So what you're gonna do is really pack on the color, like really pack it on. So you're gonna pack it on all over the concealer, wherever you cut your crease, all over it. Just pack it on and pack it on. Even if you find it's like there's fallout, it doesn't matter, just pack it on. So you're gonna do that to both eyes, of course. And you want to be careful when you come to the edge, just don't go as fast and be careful. And then second, I'm using my Fire Element palette by NYX. I'm thinking that yellow shade just because the first shade I thought it was a bit too orangey, so I wanted something more bright for this look. So I added that shadow on top, and this one too. I'm using the same brush, it doesn't matter honestly. I'm using the same brush because it packs on the color really well again, and I'm just packing it on top of the other shadow from the Sephora Pro palette. And like I said, be careful when you come to the edge. Just take your time. You're not in a rush, honestly. You want it to be done well, and you want to make sure that crease stays really sharp and it's not blended. So next I'm just swiping like all the little bit of fallout that I had. It's just the smudge brush creates a lot of fallout because you're packing it on, so I just wanted to get rid of it before I got on to the next step. And the next step is a wing liner. I just took my Kat Von D liquid liner to line my eyes. And this part too, you want to be careful because it almost didn't work out, so I had to like redo everything, but thank God everything worked out in the end. But you want to be like, take your time, because if you fuck up this part, then your look is all done. So you just want to line your eyes with the liquid liner and make it as thick as you can, just so like it stands out. So that's what I'm trying to do. You can see like it's bigger than what I usually do. And you want to go over it a little bit more because the yellow kind of transferred with the black, so it made a red color. So just make sure the black is as black as you can. And then after, I just took off the tape because this part is over. So going to the face, I don't know what happened when I was filming. I guess I'm just used to like not showing the products, so I didn't show any of the products. It's gonna be all listed down below, so you guys can just enjoy this part and I'll be back. So going back to the eyes, I'm using my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara for my lashes. I'm going to put it on the top and bottom lashes like I usually do. You guys see me do this step a million times already. So I'm just putting a small coat really. And then after, I'm just swiping my translucent powder on my cheeks. And then after, for the lips, I'm using my Rimmel brown liner. The name will be down below. I never remember the name, I'm really sorry, but the name will be down below for sure, as usual. And then the first liquid lipstick I use is my Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D on top of the liner. And then after, I use Abu Dhabi by NYX, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's what I use on my lips for this tutorial. And then I just added some lashes to finish up the look. It's my regular number 11 by Kiss. And yeah, that's all. So that's it, you guys. This is how I did the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I know I'm making a lot of makeup tutorials, but honestly it's the way I've been practicing, I guess, so my looks can get better and better. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.